Make your videos on. Still many of your videos are not on. Okay, so we'll start with the class. NIS debrief yesterday's class. We had done this sum. The diameter of the circular garden was given 42. There is a 3.5 meters wide road around the garden, and we have to find out the area of the road. So this inner circle is the garden, and this portion is the road. Okay, this portion is the road in the figure. So we found out two things. We found out area of the smaller circle, and we found out area of the bigger circle. The diameter of the garden 42 given in the question. Radius of the smaller circle will be 21. So this is 21. Then diameter, okay, diameter is not needed. Just diameter of the, this is not needed. Radius of the garden with the road, that means radius of the bigger circle is we need to find out. This is given 3.5. Okay, this is given 3.5. So radius of the bigger circle will be 24.5. So area of the road will be area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. So we found out area of the smaller circle, and we had found out area of the bigger circle. A1 and A2 I'll call. A1 is the area of the smaller circle, A2 is the area of the bigger circle. So area of the smaller circle, we got it to be, had you all written it yesterday? Day before yesterday? One, 3, 8, 6. Okay, area of the meter. Meter square, and area of the bigger circle was, can anybody tell me?
1886.5 square centimeter.
1886.5 meter square. Now area of the circular road, area of the circular road will be area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. So it would be 1886.5 minus 1386. So if you do the subtraction,
500.50 square meter.
500.5
square meter.
This is the area of the road. Means area of the shaded portion here. The area of this portion is 500.5. Is this clear?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
why did we subtracted area of the bigger circle and area of the smaller circle?
See, they had asked to find area of the road. Okay, now in the figure, this shaded portion, if you see, this is the road. Okay, this shaded portion is the road. I need to find area of only this much portion. Now,
Wait for 2-3 minutes.
Okay, now if you see, look at the figure. I want to find, okay, I'll just shade this. I'll shade this because this is the area we have to find out. Now, how will you find out this area? Now, to find out this area, we have to take the area of the bigger circle. That means this entire thing. Okay, look at the green portion. This entire thing, the area of this entire circle, big one, minus this much portion. That is area of the smaller circle. So if I look now, the green shaded portion is area of the entire big circle, and the red shaded is area of the smaller circle. So if you see, green minus red will give you the purple one. That is a road, area of the road. That is why we are subtracting it. Okay, so green minus red is giving you this purple portion here. So that is why we are subtracting it. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Om, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, should I move to the next sum?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Question 4 of your exercise 15.6. Find the area of the circle if its circumference is 88 centimeters. So we know circumference formula. Circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r. So they have asked us to find the area when circumference is 88. Okay, circumference denoted by C is 88 centimeters. We have to find out area. Okay, now to find area, if you remember, formula for area is pi r square.
Pi r square.
So to find out area of the circle, we require the radius r. So how will we find out the radius? Using the circumference and the circumference formula, we'll first find out the radius. So use the circumference formula for C is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is given 88. 2 pi will substitute the value 22 upon 7 into r. So if you take this entire term on the other side, so you will have r is equal to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So we can do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2
2 fours are
4s are 8. Again we can do the cancellation. 11 2s are 11 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So you have 2 into 7 here. So that is 14 centimeters. That means the radius of the circle is 14. Now we know the radius, we can find out the area. Area is equal to pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 14. So area will be 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So you
16 square centimeter.
116. 116.
No, 616. 16
6
616
square meter. Square centimeter.
So the area of the circle whose circumference was 88 is 616 centimeter square. Is this unclear?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
Go through the sum, everybody.
Can you show the previous slide?
Previous.
Because I want
This one?
to take yes. Done.
Done? Should I move on?
Sir, wait for 2
sir.
minutes. Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
Twinkle, can you make your video on?
Yes. Sir, over.
Okay, this was the last sum of your 15.6. With this, we finish with the chapter area.
Sir,
Now, after 8,
can you
yes,
solve 15.5 second question?
15.5. Is it the irregular
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
So there is a mistake in that sum, but I think
Sir, over.
Okay. First, in triangle, look in the figure in triangle ABE. Okay, in triangle ABE, angle A is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem and find out the side AE. So by Pythagoras theorem, we'll get side 1 square, that's AB square, plus side 2 square will be equal to the hypotenuse square, that's BE square. So use AB is 24, AE we have to find out, and BE is 30. The square of 24 is 576. AE square equal to 900. So AE square will be 900 minus 576. So
320.
324. And when you take the square root of
18.
324 is 18. So AE is 18. That means this portion is 18. Okay, now we can find out the area. Area of triangle ABE. Now since it is a right angle triangle, we know the formula for a right angle triangle is half into,
Side 1 into side 2.
correct, side 1 into side 2. So we know the length of the sides. Side 1 is 24. Side 2 is 18. So we can do the cancellation. So 12 into 18 is
216 square meter.
2, right? 200 or 300?
300.
216. 216
Square meter. Square meter.
square
200
meter.
square meter.
Okay, this is first. Now look at triangle C, D, E. Okay, look at triangle C, D, E.
There are two triangles in CDE.
Yes. Okay.
Area of triangle triangle, na?
No,
Formula.
actually, there is one mistake that this 16 is not CD actually. This 16 is this length, FD.
Yes, sir.
FD. Okay, the 16 is not CD, this 16 is FD. Now, if you see the triangle, we can use the formula half into base into height, where the base is 28 and height is 16. So now we can do this calculation. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2.
200,
So 14 into 16. So 14 into 16 is
224 square meter.
correct. 224 square meter. So this becomes for the second triangle. So I'll just write here. This is 216 in the figure. This area is 224. Now if you look at the last triangle, that is
BCE.
in triangle BCE. Now in triangle BCE, BC is 26 length, BE is 30, and CE is 28. So we can take this to be A,
Half of 28, no?
this to be B. What?
Hi.
What
Half
happened?
of 28.
Why half of 28?
Area of FE is 28.
Area? No. CE is 28. CE.
Yes.
This entire thing is 28. This CE. This CE is 28.
So you have to take 14 in the CDE, area of CDE.
No, but I don't need to find out CD. No, CD is this entire triangle, no? CD. This entire, I found out area of this entire triangle. That's 224. Is any confusion here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now look at triangle BCE. That is this triangle BCE. Okay, this one, this triangle BCE. So there are all the length of the sides are given. So we'll use Heron's formula to find out the area. So first we have to find out a semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that will be 26 plus 30 plus 28 divided by 2. So what will be the semi-perimeter? How much?
42.
42.
42. Yes.
42 meters. Now we have found out a semi-perimeter. We can use Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, area is equal to under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 42, substitute 42 into 42 minus A is 26, 42 minus B, that is 30, and last 42 minus C, that is 28. So do the subtraction, so this will be 42, 42 minus 26 is 16, 42 minus 30 is 12, and last 42 minus 28 is 14. You have to multiply or separate. You can separate it also. Find prime factors and separate it.
Kai?
42 prime factors of 42 will be 7, 2, and 3. 16 you can write as 4 into 4.
2.
12.
2.
2 into 2. This is for 12. And last for 14.
7 into 2.
7. Okay, now we just have to do the pairing, and I'll tell you the answer directly. You'll able to do this step, right? After here, you have to do the pairing. I'll tell you the answer. Answer will be 336 square meter. Okay, so this is the area of this triangle here. 336. This is this, and this is this. Clear now?
Yes.
Sir,
Last, what we have to do?
Plus.
we
Add.
have to plus all the area.
Correct. You have to plus all three. So you have to add this area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle CDE plus area of triangle BCE. This will give you area of the entire quadrilateral. Clear? Will you able to do the plus yourself, or you want me to do the addition?
Yes.
76.
776 square meter.
Correct.
76 square.
776 square meter. Okay, that last line you have to write, okay? You have to write it. Area of the plot, or area of ABCD. No, ABCDE.
Kai?
Area of quadrilateral ABCDE is 776 square meters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go through the sum, everybody. Do you want me to write the last line? Actually, I don't have space to
No,
write
sir.
that. Okay.
No, sir. No.
Okay. Go through the sum, everybody, from start to end. Go through the sum. One, note that change that this is 16, okay? FD is 16 and not CD. Okay, you can correct it. FD is 16.
Sir,
Yes.
this diagram is don't have four sides, right? It has more than 4 sides.
Yes. So you don't call it a quadrilateral. We'll call it a plot. call it a plot. It has 5 sides.
Yes.
Yes, anyways, it's irregular figure. It's not a geometric figure. Are you done with this sum?
Yes.
Sir.
So with this we finish with the chapter area.
Sir, second is surface area and volume.
Yes.
Please show fourth one.
Which one?
Fourth one, practice of 15.6.
15.6.
Yes. Fourth, sir.
And also 15.5 first sum.
Thank you.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Who wanted first sum? 15.5 first sum this.
काय
Then
So
Yes?
there is another method. Is also is given in textbook to find out the area of irregulation.
No method.
Yes.
What's the page
At
number?
last. 104.
Oh, yeah, not that. Yes. That method I know. That I will be doing for activity. Yes. That I have
Okay,
kept for activity.
Okay, sir.
And there'll be a project also on that. That's why I did not do it now. I'll be doing that separately, but you have it for activity. So we'll be requiring graph paper for that activity.
Yes. Okay, sir.